In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ActiveCampaign Personalization tags to elevate your email marketing efforts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Personalization tags are a powerful feature in ActiveCampaign that allow you to customize your emails by inserting personalized content, making your messages more engaging and relevant to your audience. So let's dive right in. First, to start using personalization tags, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, select the campaign or automation where you want to incorporate these tags. It's essential to remember that personalization tags work best when your contact list is robust and well segmented. The more information you have about your subscribers, the more effective your personalization will be. Now, let's create a new campaign or edit an existing one. When you're composing an email within the campaign builder, look for the text box where you want to insert a personalization tag. This could be in the subject line or the email body itself. To add a tag, you should locate the dynamic content option in your email editor. You might see it represented by a small icon that resembles a placeholder. Clicking on that will open up a drop-down menu showing you the available personalization tags. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of tags you can use, ranging from the recipient's first name to more specific information such as their last purchase, their location, or any custom fields you've created. For instance, if you want to greet your subscribers by their first name, simply select the first name tag from the list. Now, when your email is sent, it will replace that tag with each individual's first name, making it feel more personal and engaging. As you insert these tags, it's also crucial to consider the context of your content. You want to ensure that your message flows naturally. For example, instead of just saying, "Hi, first name," consider continuing with a message that connects with them. Something like, "Hi, first name, I hope you're enjoying the lovely fall weather," adds a lovely touch. Next, let's discuss the importance of fallback options. Sometimes your subscribers may not have filled out a specific piece of information, like their first name. In this case, you might want to use a fallback text to ensure your email doesn't look awkward. So, when you add your personalization tag, you could set the fallback to something like "there" or "friend." This way, if the first name isn't available, it'll still read smoothly, "Hi there," instead of a blank space. After you've personalized your email, it's crucial to test it out before you hit send. ActiveCampaign has a fantastic preview feature that lets you see how your email will look to each recipient based on their information. This is also a great opportunity to double-check that everything, including your personalization tags, appears as intended. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and send out your campaign or schedule it for later. Remember that using personalization tags can significantly increase engagement, open rates, and conversions, so don't underestimate their power. And that's it. By using ActiveCampaign personalization tags, you're on your way to creating more meaningful connections with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on enhancing your email